Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's begin. Today we are going to have communication skills lecture. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's begin. Let me know what we people have done in previous lecture. Have you finished adverbs or prepositions? Do you remember anything that we have done last time?
Preposition is completed, sir.
Okay, prepositions completed. Then we will go for conjunctions in this session. Okay, all right. So just wait. Okay, so let me know that if voice is clear as well as you people are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have any difficulty for voice, I think that maybe because of any network issue, if you are not able to get my voice, in that case, you just let me know. Okay, so I maybe switch off my video so that you can get voice clearly. So let's begin. As we people studied prepositions, almost all parts of speech we people are about to study. So far we people have done with noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, and verb also. So all these are the things that we people have studied here. And in today's session, we are going to talk about conjunction. Okay. So first of all, we'll talk about what is conjunction and then we'll go for it. So the word conjunction, it will just means the word which we people use to join two words, two sentences, or maybe two clauses, two phrases. So it is for joining, okay, to join. So it can be two words, it can be two phrases, it can be two clauses, it can be two sentences also. So that is the purpose of using conjunctions. You know that not all the time we people use only simple sentences. So simple sentences are like that subject plus we or object, something like that structure we people have studied so far. But it is not always that only one kind of structure is used. Sometimes we people use variety of sentences or different sentences that we people use. And those variety of sentences may include, for example, what I just told you, the structure. This is of simple sentence, okay? Simple sentence, but it is not possible to communicate all the time or every time to use only simple sentence in your communication. It can be oral communication or it can be written communication, but only simple sentences are not possible. So sometimes you know that we need to use different kind of sentences. So which are different other types of sentences? Do you know, apart from simple sentence, which are other types? Any idea about types of sentences? Okay, complex sentence is there. Okay, so what is this complex sentence? When we people just use one or two sentences together which are joined by subordinating conjunctions, then they become complex sentences. And in that complex sentences, one is a main clause and there are two or more than two subordinate clauses which are joined by subordinating conjunctions. So that is sentences, complex sentences. And then people have compound also. Compound sentence. So what is compound sentence? Here also the similar kind of things. In compound sentence also we people use one or more than sentences together joined by coordinating conjunctions, and this time the sentences which are joined, they are main clauses. Okay, in complex sentences, one is main clause and another is subordinate clause. But in compound sentence, both sentences or whatever sentences are joined by coordinating conjunctions, they are main clauses. In short, in complex sentence, one is main clause and another clause is depending upon main clause to complete the meaning. But in compound sentence, there are main clauses that they can be written separately. So why I'm writing it, or why we are talking about types of sentences? Because here we are learning conjunctions. And so conjunctions, based on the use of conjunction, you people can decide it can be complex sentence or compound sentence. We are going to see a number of examples in the following slides. But you'll come to know sentences which are complex sentences. They are joined by subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. And here for compound sentences, there will be coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so let's go for the next slide and try to talk about these conjunctions in detail. Is the next slide visible? Or only first slide is visible?
Only first slide is visible.
Okay, so now it may be visible. So on second slide, we are going to see, already I just told you what this conjunction means to you, but once again, just pay attention. Conjunctions are the words. So what kind of words? Words that join two words, two phrases, or two clauses. So that is simple. There are three types of conjunctions. Which three types are there? So you can just mention, you can just try to note them down. So coordinating conjunctions, I just told you, if you are using sentences joined by coordinating conjunctions, they can be compound sentences. I just told you, okay? So compound sentences. Then subordinating conjunctions. So subordinating conjunctions, sentences joined by subordinating conjunctions can be complex. Okay, complex. And the sentences which are joined by correlative conjunctions, there again, they refer sometimes compound sentences. So just only remember types, not necessarily because learning types of sentences can be another topic. So we will not include types of sentences here. We'll just learn about conjunction here. Again, in short, as we people studied prepositions in short, similarly, we are going to learn conjunctions in short. So let's go to the next slide and we'll try to learn about first type, that is coordinating conjunctions. Okay. So coordinating conjunctions, they are used to join two or more words, phrases, and two main or independent clauses of equal rank. Okay. So what is coordinating? म्हणजे in short, की दोन्ही वाक्य समान अर्थाची असतात किंवा इक्वली यू कॅन राईट देम सेपरेटली ऑल्सो किंवा अर्थाच्या दृष्टीने दोन्ही वाक्य स्वतंत्र असतात अशी वाक्य ज्या कंजंक्शननी जोडली जातात त्यांना कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन्स असं म्हणत असतो. ओके, सो दे आर युज्ड टू जॉइन टू और मोर वर्ड्स, phrases, two or more, here you can give comma, okay, words, or it can be phrases, and two main or independent clauses. I just told you की we can write them separately. दोन्ही वाक्य आपण सेपरेट करून लिहू शकतो आणि ते अर्थाच्या दृष्टीने एकमेकांवरती डिपेंड नसतात, ते इंडिपेंडेंट असतात. क्लॉजेस ऑफ इक्वल रँक, समान अर्थाच्या दृष्टीने. The common coordinating conjunctions are, so which are common coordinating conjunctions? We'll see examples. And you can write, join so many sentences with and, or, but, nor, so, therefore, it. Okay, so we will go for examples. Can you tell me one sentence with and? Can you make one sentence using and? No need to type, you can just unmute and tell me one sentence with and. or it is difficult to make any sentence. I will help you here. So now you can help me by, you have to combine these two sentences. You can use and here. Is it not audible? Or you are not able to make it? कळत नाही का? I'm not getting your voice. I think there is some problem. काहीच मला काही रिप्लाय मिळत नाही.
Sir, voice are clear.
Okay, voice is clear. So simply you can replace Ram played cricket and completed his studies. That became your sentence like this. You can make like this. So already people are familiar with such kind of sentences. Here one example is given, which is with but. He is poor, but he is an honest person. So whenever there is but, you know, there is a kind of contrast is there. So what is contrast here? So being poor and honest. Okay, so in this sentence, but joins two principal clauses. So which are two principal clauses? He is poor is main clause, and he is an honest person, that is also main clause, because we can write them separately also. How? So we can write these two sentences separately, like he is poor, this is one sentence, he is an honest person, that is another. So here both sentences are meaningfully independent and they can be written separate like this. Okay, then let's go to the next slide and see some more examples that you people can think of. Okay, so first example, my friend enjoys poetry and fiction as well. So which is conjunction here?
And
Yes. And is conjunction. Yes. Then we must work hard to face the failure. Sorry, we must work hard or face the failure. Yes, or. So by or you get option. Yes, you get option, this or that. Okay. Then number third, my father invited them, but they didn't come.
but
But then next, I know you must be tired, so I will let you rest.
so
So I felt lonely, therefore I went to play cricket with my friends.
therefore
Therefore.
Therefore, so this is conjunction. Christmas was only a few days away, yet it didn't seem like Christmas.
Yet.
Yet. Okay, so these are some of the examples that people can use, and I think that in notes you people have been given in details all kinds of conjunctions, and you can refer them as well. Here that is all about what we people just studied. It was about coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so all these are coordinating conjunctions. So that is one type we have done with here. Then let's go to the next slide. On the next slide, we are going to talk about subordinating conjunctions. Okay, so you can easily understand co and sub. Co means main, subordinating means the one which is not having equal rank or the same kind of things you're not getting from that. So subordinating conjunctions are used to join one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. So here now there is one main and another are subordinate. In coordinating conjunction, there was one main, another also main, and all main clauses were joined by coordinating conjunctions. But here that is not the case. Here one is main clause and other clauses are subordinate clauses. It can be two or it can be more than two also. Okay, so that is the difference between coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. If it is coordinating conjunction, these are compound sentences. With subordinating conjunction, they are complex sentences. The common subordinating conjunctions are, so which are common subordinating conjunctions? Let's see here, some examples are given. Unless, after, till, since, if, before, than, that, though, although, where, when, while, because, as soon as, until. So these are the some of the examples, and I think that we people have studied it for a number of times, that such examples, because we can replace when with maybe as soon as, we can replace as soon as with no sooner than. I think that no sooner than is not mentioned here, but that is also conjunction. Saurabh Gadge, any question?
No, sir.
And you know, in 10th or 12th grammar, you might be having number of questions based on you have to make the sentences like this: as soon as, replace as soon as with no sooner than with where, or with if and unless. If sentence is given with if, you have to change it with unless, or maybe there something with than, maybe though, although is there, because is there. So these are the some of the examples. So one example is given here: if you pay the bill, I will be very happy. So how you can make it with unless? Can you just replace this sentence with unless, and how it will be?
Unless you pay the bill, I will not be happy.
Yes, exactly. So when you are using unless, next sentence is going to be negative. So it can be like this: unless pay the bill, I will not be happy. Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay. So here we are not expected transformation of sentences, but we should know these are similar kind of sentences. Or another example we will take here, that can be of like this: as soon as. As soon as the teacher entered the class, students stood up. So there are also two sentences, and that is with as soon as. So can you make it with no sooner than?
No sooner the teacher entered the class, students stood up.
No sooner did. So structure of no sooner is like this: no sooner did
The teacher enter.
teacher enter or entered?
Enter.
Enter the class. Now here you are using that. The students stood up. So, and same sentence you can use with when also, because they are similar and you can replace them with each other. So it can be like this: when the teacher entered the class, students stood up, like this. So you can use anyone, and that's all right. All three sentences are right. Okay, so you should know how to change them. So here, if it's subordinate conjunction which introduces subordinate clause, that you pay the bill. Okay, so here main clause is I will be happy. So this is main clause, I will be happy, but subordinate clause is you pay the bill. And that is condition. Okay, this is condition. Okay, some examples of this. subordinating conjunctions. I won't pay unless you provide the goods immediately. So which is subordinating conjunction in this sentence? Which is subordinating conjunction?
Unless.
Yes. So here, unless, this is subordinating conjunction. He will not see me till it comes very near.
Till.
In this sentence will come to know till. He had been in a grumpy mood since he got up.
Since.
If you come late, I will punish you.
If.
If. Let's go to the course last time before we leave.
Before.
So here the word before is also conjunction, subordinating conjunction. We should not spend more than we earn. Which is?
Then.
Yes, that's right. Than is conjunction here. I think that I know who sang this song.
That.
That.
Somebody said sang.
That.
That. Okay. She spoke quietly because she didn't want Ramesh to hear.
Because.
Because.
Okay. Because. So this way, and you may be able to see some of the examples like this. I met the person who is in USA. So here, can you tell me which is conjunction?
Who.
Yes. So here, who, or it can be also like this, which other like this. I visited the place which is haunted.
Which.
Which. Okay. So here which. So these are some of the examples that you people can think and can make, and also can try to understand how we can use them. So that is all about coordinating conjunction, and there is one more type that you people are going to see. Next type, that is correlative conjunctions. So what do you mean by this correlative conjunctions? Because they are used in pairs. So used in pairs means whatever the conjunctions you people have studied, they were and, or, but, and something like this. Now here you will get them in pairs, and in pairs they join two words. In pair they join two phrases or clauses, and they carry equal importance within a sentence. Means the words which are going to join by this correlative, they are same. Maybe if first one is noun, second one must be noun. You cannot join one noun and another verb, you cannot join. They should be of equal rank, same is importance, equal importance. That is the condition. Okay, so here some examples are given. They are like you can call it either or you can say either or also. It can be neither nor, you can say neither nor also. Not only but also, as, rather than, both and, if then, whether or. Okay, so these are the some of the examples of correlative conjunctions, and in sentences we people see them like this. And say first sentence, you should go either by bus or by train. So which is conjunction here?
Either.
Only either or either or?
Either or.
Either or. Neither the police officers nor the military personnel were present there.
Neither nor.
Neither nor, neither nor, you can say neither nor. The car is not only economical but also easy to drive.
Not only but also.
Not only but also. I like you as much as he does.
As much as.
Okay, it is as. If you promise, then I will come.
If then.
Then.
If then, it is not only if or it is not only then, it is if then. She is free to decide whether to play or not.
Whether.
Whether or it can be. Okay, so these were the examples and that's all about conjunctions. So you people need to understand. If you people are going to have any questions about conjunctions, you can ask. If not, then let's see what you people can go for. Okay, all right. So if this is just wait, I'll check if I have any exercise related to this, then we'll go for that. So here I think that most of the time we people have done with 1.1, that is tenses, parts of speech. All right, so just try to check it. So is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So here you have to just solve the exercise. Here, the question says, select the correct coordinating conjunctions to be filled in the given passage from the list. So here already list is provided. The list is and, or, but, so, nor, et, still, therefore, and here you are getting some of the sentences that you people have to mark them right. So it was raining heavily dash. We cancelled our trip to Goa.
So.
So.
So can you use here therefore? Will it be okay? Both can be right.
Yes.
Both can be right. Okay. Next, teachers and parents. So I think that there is no point.
And.
So I already spoke it, na? Teachers and parents. Teachers and parents shape the lives of children. Walking is a very good exercise. Dash. Many people don't go for it.
But.
But. Okay. So can you think here of it?
Yes.
It is also okay. It is also okay. Walking is a very good exercise. Many people don't go for it. You can eat your cake with a spoon dash a fork.
Nor.
Nor or.
Or
Nor.
It should be or, not nor. If you're using nor of a, not with, because the word with is missing. If you're using nor, you know, we're going to say nor. In that case, not nor with a fork. So with is required. Nor a fork is not meaningful. Okay. So or. E. His two favorite sports are football, tennis.
And.
and
And then F. I wanted to go to the beach dash. Mary refused.
But.
But Mary refused. Okay. She is a vegetarian dash. She doesn't eat any meat.
still
So.
How still can be?
So.
You can think of therefore also. So or therefore, both can be right. Okay. She is a vegetarian, therefore she doesn't eat any meat. She is a vegetarian, so she doesn't eat any meat. H. Jennifer doesn't like to swim dash. She enjoys cycling.
But.
But you can use but. Jennifer doesn't like to swim, but she enjoys cycling. Then next, the students didn't submit the assignment dash. Did they consult the teacher?
nor
Here nor is going to be right. Okay. The students didn't submit the assignments, nor did they consult the teacher. And here's the last one. It is a small car dash. It is surprisingly spacious.
yet
Here you can use yet. Here you can use but. Okay. So this way people can think of some of the exercise that you can find it out and try to solve it. Let's go to the another exercise that you people can think of here, and you just try to solve. Similar question is here that you can think of, and this question also says select the correct subordinating conjunctions to be filled in the given passage from the list given here. So here list is unless, if, when, because, as if, although, after, before, as soon as. Okay, and then let's go to the first question. The train had already departed dash. I reached the station.
When.
When.
Yes, when I reached the station. The train had already departed when I reached the station. And next, number B sentence, Sachin scored more dash getting tips from his coach.
After.
Yes, here you are going to choose after. After getting tips from his coach. Number C, I shall contact him dash he comes back.
Only.
If.
If he comes back. If he comes back. Number D, you will not get success dash you work
Unless.
hard.
Unless.
Here unless you work hard. Seema didn't come to college dash she was out of station.
Because.
As.
Because, as, both are right. As she is out of station, because she was out of station, both can be right. F, Ashok will get the job dash he deserves it.
Because.
Here you're going to choose if he deserves it. So you should know the meaning of deserve for that. Okay, if he deserves, then only you'll get. So therefore, if he deserves it. G, he was behaving in such a way he was a king.
As if.
Yes, here as if. Next, H. Dash he got enough time, he could not complete his assignment within time.
Although.
Yes, here you're going to choose although. Although he got enough time, he could not complete his assignment within time. Then last one, you should finish your homework dash I get back to home.
Before.
Yes.
Before.
Here it is before I get back to home. So these were some exercise based on your subordinating conjunctions. So here one more exercise that you people have to think of, and that is based on your correlative conjunctions. So question is similar here that you can read it. That says sample exercise for the usage of coordinating conjunctions, and here the again list is also provided, either or, neither nor, not only but also, as, if then, whether or. So first sentence A, dash my parents allow, I will decide to come with you.
If my parents allow, then I will decide to come with you.
Yes, here in first case, if my parents allow, then I will decide to come with you. Okay. Then second B, Dr. Kalam was dash a scientist, dash an author of many famous books.
Not only.
Not only but also.
But also.
Yes, not only but also. Dr. Kalam was not only a scientist but also an author of many famous books. Number C, The management will decide dash to install this machine dash not.
Whether or.
Whether or. Whether to install this machine or not. Okay, the management will decide whether to install this machine or not. D, Ritu is a dash tall, dash intelligent than Deepa.
As
Yes, here it is. Ritu is as tall, as intelligent than Deepa. Okay. Then number E, dash. You finish your work, leave your job.
Either or.
Either or.
Either or. Either you finish your work or leave your job. And last one, your company offers dash a good salary, dash an opportunity to grow.
Neither nor.
Neither nor.
Yes, here it is, neither nor. Okay, so your company offers neither a good salary nor an opportunity to grow. Okay, so that's all about conjunctions. So any questions do you have here? If you have, you can ask. If not, then you are going to have again a mid-term exam, which will be, I think, that MCQ, and for that also you will get the same syllabus that we people have done so far. Okay, and maybe unit number first only. Somehow I managed today to complete 1.1. So in next session I will complete 1.2 and that redundancies and cliches. Okay, so here I wanted to close everything. Here we have not gone for interjection. Okay, interjection is not part to do here. So interjections are the words which express sudden joys, feelings, sorrow, emotions, grief, wonder, etc. For example, oh, brow, etc. So that you can just find it out more information about interjection. Okay.
okay, sir.
So with this, just take attendance and then we are going to close it here. Let's meet in the second class. So roll number 1 is not present today. Roll number 1 absent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 absent today. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, roll number 20 absent. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 absent. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, absent. 43, 44, absent. 45, 46, 47, absent. 48, 49, 50, 51, absent. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, absent. 57, 58, 59, 60, absent. 61. Okay. So all right. So with this note, we are going
Hello,
to
sir.
stop. Yes, Avinash.
Sir, assignment first submit केलाय पण assignment second submit करताना you have already responded असं म्हणतात.
Okay, I will change this setting right now.
Yes.
After this, you will not get this issue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can complete remaining assignments also. You can submit. So up to 6. In first case, I told you to complete assignments 1 to 3. So now you can complete 4 to 6 and submit it.
केलं तरी तिथं
I'm not getting your voice, Shraddha.
तर ऑलरेडी रिस्पॉन्ड म्हणले ना तिथं एडिट रिस्पॉन्ड म्हणून खाली एक लाईन आहे ब्लू कलरची त्याच्यावर टॅप केलं की ते अजून सबमिट करता येतं आपल्याला.
Okay, you can do that also, and I will change setting also. जिथं तुम्हाला multiple
नाही
option.
तर त्यावर जरी क्लिक केलं तरी असाइनमेंट फर्स्ट ते एडिट करण्यासाठी होते. जे आपण असाइनमेंट फर्स्ट सबमिट केलं ना ते एडिट करा.
Okay, I will change settings from here. And if it is like this, जर तुम्ही पहिली असाइनमेंट सबमिट केलेली तीच एडिट होत असेल, in that case you people can just see की तुम्हाला दोन्ही वेळा ते सबमिट करायला लागते काय. I will check it and immediately I will let you know. लगेच ते सेटिंग मी चेंज करतो. Okay, any other questions? अजून कोणाला काय प्रश्न आहेत? So should I end this meeting for all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.